Thank you. What?
Okay.
In front of your fireplace.
Yeah, this was the only thing that had the price of $5 for all.
Do I have room for it? It is cute.
Alright guys, you'll have to ignore the hair. I didn't do anything this morning because, you know, we recently had a time change and I'm exhausted. So I'm at an estate sale that my mom really wanted me to go to with her, and she's already in line at the estate sale. Again, I'm not an estate sale lover, but down in Florida, there's a lot of estate sales. So here I am. Hopefully it goes well. I've got the camera on.
How cold is it, David?
It's like Black Friday.
36. Yeah.
Oh, look, they have boxes.
This is estate sales. They're always like that. Oh, boxes? Yay, careful.
This is why it never gets fixed.
My viewers think your name is TT.
No, it's Yay. No more nicknames. Yay. It means yes, yes.
The vases?
I like these stores.
Oh, wow.
Right in front of us here is Dave. Thank you.
Yeah. Was that the point? I was just copying everyone else. They all did it.
Yeah.
Oh, head fell up.
Lot of stuff. Lot of stuff.
Estate sale, the furniture's priced, but if you see some of them have prices on it, but if not,
This is cool.
okay, they go to the price list.
That's cool, yeah.
That's nice.
Yes.
Everything
Oh, wow.
outside is for sale too, unless it's scratched out.
Oh, man. I think I'm a little too tired for all this. What is this? Cordless Edison calculator.
Yeah.
Dark in here.
I don't really see it. Look, it's like empty. Do they already have a yard sale?
I don't know. This is interesting. Oh yeah, these are playbills. Yeah, this is cool. That is cool. Definitely. Brass duck heads. Add to cart. Gotta add the stuff to your cart. Yes. I did, but they're a little too old for me. Like old fashioned. I don't like that kind of music very much. Tools. A lot of tools. Heavy duty hand riveter kit.
I've got two.
Okay.
It's nice, but I
Yeah.
don't really need it, and there's no price on it, so I don't know whether it's going to be reasonable price or not. It's a little bit frustrating.
I would just grab it and go ask. This seems like a little gold mine.
For you.
What? I mean,
Ask for this.
yeah, we'll ask.
I think they cleaned it out though, but it was just very pretty.
What's that? A Ryobi speed load? Buffing and polishing. These are Wellers.
Yeah, especially where it's open.
Fish
cool.
line right there, Dave. Is that the fish line? I know you did.
Chad fishes. I don't like to fish. Why is it not closing? There we go. Hopefully it's reasonable.
got you some hats. You can look at them.
Okay.
Yes, really some good stuff.
Like a surge protector.
Yeah, this is the right place.
High performance cellular style CB antenna. Brand new. Maybe. What? No, not really. I need to put some of this stuff down.
You go there, the whole. Yeah.
Yeah, the flower pots and everything out here.
Just this and what's in the ground.
$7 for both.
Okay.
You have a hold area?
Yeah, sure, right here. $1.
Did they have a yard sale here already?
No, the lady moved. Oh, so, she's 96 years
cool.
old, the daughter called me in a panic, I said, we'll help you for a couple hours, but that's it. For a day off.
Yeah, they fill cassettes.
Oh, okay. I like the rooster with the duckies thing.
That's cute. But it's broken on the bottom.
What's it for Lens? What's that for Lens?
Brass.
Oh, I thought it was his name. I might get these hats.
I like brass.
I need it,
Pardon.
I'm gonna these
This is the
things.
total layout.
Yes, that's the regular food buy, but this is the rest of the stuff, take that off.
Deals or no?
$10.
That's not bad. I don't know. It's kind of wild. Wild and crazy. Supermax by Gillette. That's interesting. Let's look that up. $10. Yeah, it's not worth buying. Alright, what do we got in the kitchen? These are interesting. They're full of oats. Let's see.
David, is this the only thing that goes on this?
Yeah,
That's it?
yeah.
You sure?
Pretty sure, yeah.
How much now?
Oh, nice little pizza cutter. That's kind of handy.
What is this?
Pizza cutter. My mom likes these old ice cream scoops.
Oh, those are good. You need them in the house. See how much these are in stock people.
Here's a nice garlic press.
Let me go get, wait, David, I'm gonna get it.
Oh, they're leaving, okay, gotcha, is this one?
That one's mine, I think, yeah.
And there's a storage bin on the side of the house. And
Look at that view. Holy cow, guys. That's the rich Florida life. Can you imagine? Wow. That's cool. Very cool. Yeah. I'm jumping in the canal. I don't know. We were just in it. Seemed like maybe 3. I just can't believe that view. Look at that, guys. Crazy. Really nice. That's quite a view, huh?
Yes, it is.
The pool is kind of small. It's nice, but it seems small.
David,
Yes.
And a left-handed scissors?
What's
Do you
that?
need a left-handed scissors?
No.
Okay. What about these hats? This is,
Don't need that hat. It's funny though. Ooh,
you've said that for the last couple
it's a decent hat.
estate sale.
How much are they?
I don't know, how much are the hats?
That one's beat up.
Okay, this is 1, 2, and $6 altogether.
Somebody tell you you're buying this dresser in?
Yeah, that's
Questionable. Probably not.
Yes, that
The
one's
condition
sold.
is so bad on them. I wouldn't take any of them, honestly. That nice lady from yesterday's not here.
Yeah,
Where's she at?
I don't know. They're 50 cents each, that's why.
Really? Look at this.
I wonder if this would fit over my shower head.
Yeah.
Why is that over?
I don't know. No. I already checked it. It doesn't have any marks. Maybe it is. I don't know. Didn't seem like it to me.
Not the hits. You're at 13 and I threw that in there. So you're 15.
Sure, you give him another buck.
15, yep. $16.
Well, I know where this would go, right in front of your fireplace.
16.
Thank you. What?
Okay.
In front of your fireplace.
Yeah, this was the only thing that had the price of $5 for all.
Do I have room for it? It is cute. I like it. I'd give it to me. I did like it, unless you want. No, I don't know where I would put it. I would take it. With Ellen says we have a whole bunch at the shop like
I
that.
have a couple of...
$20 for
You
everything.
don't want it? Dave?
Okay.
Problem is that
Is this yours too?
the
Yeah.
liquor, if
Is that fine?
breaks, I mean,
Another
if that
couple
breaks,
bucks?
fine. If somebody
22?
sits on it and this lets go.
Yeah?
I don't
One.
know how to fix
There
it.
you go, 22.
Perfect. Thank you.
That's the problem.
Thank you for bringing the boxes. Thank him bringing the boxes. I'm thinking, oh my goodness. Wow, I love it. I love
Yeah,
this. There
cool.
you go.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Good luck. You said it's
And this
just
is your-
that's my mom.
Come on,
Yeah.
perfect. Don't forget her.
I won't. Yeah, mom, don't forget your stuff.
You want me to help carry?
Yeah, if you want to carry that, because it's not
I need
gonna.
this too. It's gonna-
Okay. Ma, you got your box? Whew, it's pretty brisk Florida morning, I'll be honest. So that was a pretty decent sale. I wanted to show you what I got. I got these brass ducks that I've sold for 20 bucks before. This thing, which I thought was cool. Mom, I got you an old antique ice cream scoop.
Oh, I
I know you
love
love those.
I like
yeah.
the brass figurine.
Yeah, those
I looked
can be
at them.
decent. Mom got a bunch of kitchen utensils. How much you spend? 15 for everything?
that. Well, I got a chair coming, so 25.
Oh,
15
this
for
soldering
this
gun.
box.
This soldering gun will get me 30 to 40 bucks, and I paid 20 for everything. So just that soldering gun is gonna pay
15
for everything. All right, so I'm back in my house now, and I've looked up a little bit more of the stuff I got. That CB antenna actually has recent sold comps for 25 bucks. The soldering irons are right around $30. The brass figures, I'm still trying to look them up. I think for like all four or five brass things I got, I'll probably bring in 30 bucks. That's it. I thought they were worth a little more, but they were cheap. They were basically toss-ins. I did play with that like telescope thing more. It's like a pirate telescope, and it like extends all the way out. It's super fuzzy. I'm not sure if there's value. It's definitely an antique telescope type thing, but I don't know what it's worth, honestly. I gotta try to appraise it or something. I don't know. I am still moving into this house in Florida, so there's a lot of like little essentials I keep grabbing at sales, like chairs and kitchen utensils and things like that. It's not necessarily because everything I'm buying is worth money, but sometimes it's just coming along with me to see what I can find. There is a lot of times where I'm gonna make a profit. Like I'm gonna make great profit at this sale. I think I spent 20 for everything, 22. I got that thing of power cables. The reason I got that is because you can usually get about $5 per power cable, worst case scenario. And a lot of power cables end up surprising you and being worth $15, $20, $25 if it's something rare. So I do buy bins of power cables for $2 like that, because why not? Playbills also are fun. I can sell them on my Whatnot auctions in bundles, and every time I've run an ephemera bundle, that's what that's called. It's called ephemera. Every time I've run an ephemera bundle on Whatnot, I've gotten at least $25, and that would probably be for like 15 of those. So I should be able to bring in $100 from that box just on Whatnot. If I look them up individually on eBay, I can probably bring in even more, because individually a lot of them can sell for 5, 10, 20, And depending on how rare it is, some of them can sell for like $100. Depends on how much effort I want to put into it, but I will definitely make a lot of profit on that box of playbills. I really like that old ephemera paper stuff. At the end of the day, it's just more proof that in Florida, estate sales are pretty solid. A lot better than North Carolina, where everything was overpriced. There's a lot of affordable estate sales down here. Thank you guys for coming. Make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and hit the like button. Bye.